The Little Red Hen. Once upon a time, on a sunny little farm, there lived a happy little red hen. She loved to sing while she worked. La 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 la. She sang every day. Her friends were a sleepy dog, a fluffy cat, and a noisy duck. They were very lazy. One bright morning, the little red hen found a bag of golden wheat seeds. Crunch, crunch. She opened the bag. "Wow, look at these shiny seeds," she cried. "I can plant them and make delicious bread. Who will help me plant the seeds?" The dog yawned loudly. "Yawn, not I," he barked. The cat licked her paw. Not I," she purred. The duck flapped his wings. "Quack, quack, not I. I'm going for a swim," he shouted. The little red hen smiled. "Okay then, I'll do it myself." Dig, dig, dig. She planted the seeds. Splash, splash. She watered them. And she sang, la 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 la. Weeks passed. The wheat grew tall and golden. Whoosh, whoosh. The wind blew through the tall stalks. The little red hen danced with joy. "Hooray! The wheat is ready. Who will help me cut it?" The dog rolled over. "Not I," he barked. The cat stretched. "Not I," she meowed. The duck quacked. "Not I! Quack, quack!" The little red hen clapped her wings. "Then I'll do it myself." Snip, snip, snip. She cut the wheat with her little beak and wings. Next, she asked, "Who will help me carry the wheat to the mill?" "Not I," barked the dog. "Not I," purred the cat. "Not I," quacked the duck. The little red hen giggled. "I'll do it myself." Push, pull, she carried the wheat to the mill. Soon she had beautiful white flour. At last, she mixed the flour with water, yeast, and a little salt. Mix, 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 went the dough. The kitchen smelled so good. It smells wonderful," said the little red hen. "Who will help me bake the bread?" "Not I," barked the dog, sniffing the air. "Not I," meowed the cat, licking her lips. "Not I," quacked the duck, waddling closer. The little red hen laughed. "I'll do it myself." Pat, 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 she shaped the dough. Ding, the oven bell rang. The bread was golden brown and hot. The little red hen took the bread out. Hiss! It smelled so yummy. "Who will help me eat this delicious bread?" she asked. The dog jumped up. "Woof, woof! I will! I will!" The cat purred loudly. "Meow! Me too! Me too!" The duck flapped his wings. "Quack, quack! I will! I will!" The little red hen looked at them with kind but firm eyes. "You did not help me plant the seeds. You did not help me cut the wheat. You did not help me carry it to the mill. You did not help me bake the bread. So now I will eat it myself." Crunch, crunch, she took a big bite. So warm and soft," she said happily. And she shared the bread with her little chicks, who had watched her work so hard. "Chirp, chirp," said the chicks. "Thank you, Mummy." The dog, the cat, and the duck sat quietly. They felt a little silly. And from that day on, whenever the little red hen asked for help, they all shouted together, "Yes, we will help!"